All right, I'm going. Go ahead and go for it.
All right, come and get me.
Oh my goodness.
The toy drone company Ruco asked me to do a crash test. They say they have reinforced the F-11 Mini to withstand impacts better.
Get him, Chris.
So I asked them if they'd send me 2 of them so I could film some drone jousting.
Do it. Do it.
They did, and so we did.
Well, no, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm not the target.
Let's go, Ken.
All right.
We set up a kill zone in front of the high-speed camera, but timing a head-on collision in the right spot proved difficult.
Are we in frame?
We figured out a better way, then proceeded to abuse these poor toy drones.
So if you're going to hover in front of the camera,
Come and get it, Ken.
I'll come and get it.
I'm in the spot. Can you take me out? Not my body, my drone. Oh, he pushed me down with his prop wash.
What kind of props y'all got?
Ah, I got you.
Button. Yeah, so mark start. And then, look. Wow, down in flames. And they've got the penis in the shot too, so that's good. So far, so good. We've been jousting with these things for a while. No props are broken.
I got nicks in my props. That's probably gonna make
That's
a little
it.
jello in the footage.
Yeah.
But it's still flying good. I've got some scars on the battery. The camera guards seem to be doing the job though.
Yeah, I mean. Do you want to try to hit me this time and I'll hover?
Sure.
All right.
All right, I'm coming for you.
Oh! These are surprisingly rugged. For a toy drone, right?
The lighter the weight the drone, the less damage it's gonna take in a crash.
Oh, it's terrible. Here's the video. Here's what the video looks like. It's awful. All right, Dave, you want to get your drone and hit it?
Sure. Dude, I feel like a hawk perched up here, just waiting for my little little field mouse.
I'm
just like,
wanting you to.
Just get in position. I'm gonna snatch you up.
Dave, kill me. Oh, button! Did you get it?
Yes, I did.
Oh my goodness.
That was so fast.
I don't think that's okay. Dave, your thoughts?
I think I got it. I think you can still fly this drone if you got more props.
Really?
Yeah, dude. You got 2 broken arms, but I think it'll still fly. You just need more props. All right, you're in position?
Yes.
You ready?
Kill me.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh, man.
All right, I'm lining up again. Here goes.
Let me know.
Go up just a
Up.
Let me know when you're in position.
Right there, right there, right there.
Okay, come kill me, Dave. Button.
You, Ken, you were right here when it happened.
Hey, you hit my drone.
Button.
I broke props again.
Blast! You gotta see this. Look. Blast! Oh my God. Whip, whip, whip. Yes. Hey, you guys, Ruco, you asked me to do this. I'm just obliging. Send me more. We'll do it. We'll do it again. So, Dave?
I mean, this thing took a lot of abuse. I threw a 1.5-pound quad at it, going, I don't know, 60, 50 miles an
That
hour.
was pretty fast, yeah.
And the arms are all still attached. You can see that the lever where it's supposed to attach back here started to break out.
As far as the toy drone is concerned, they really did.
It's pretty darn durable. I would say if you want a durable toy drone, check out Ruco.
Yeah.
I mean, the Marmot's fine. There's nothing wrong with this drone.
One more slow motion shot. You ready?
Another high-speed collision.
How's your pitching arm?
I'm pretty good.
How fast are you gonna go? Show me without throwing it. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I flinched when see? Oh my God. This is so dumb. Why are we doing this? This is.
High five, and it'll go right
Oh yeah, high five.
There you go.
3, 2, 1. You ready to try
Are
this?
you recording? Here you go. Volleyball serve.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Button.
Got it. Got it right here.
Oh, great. I can't believe I do this for a living. Good shoot today, man.
Man, nice flying.
A lot of fun. High five. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time.
And bye.
Oh, they're fine.
Yeah, you can fix that.
Yeah.
It's gonna buff out.
It'll buff out. So this is an interesting phenomenon. The signals. Well, I'll just show you. 1 controller, 2 drones. Oh no! Maybe we. Oh no, that's no good. That's no good. You can get a close-up shot of this over here, Brian, or you can just make shadow dicks. Whatever you want to do.
Here you go, Brian. Here you go. Oh, here you go. Brian, I got another one coming up.
He wants to hit all the cars.